Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the base station. This forces a fresh state. First, unplug the power adapter and the USB cable from the console or PC. Do it now. Once done, remove the headset from the dock and plug its charger into the headset alone until it reaches roughly half charge. That prevents firmware corruption during reset. Make sure you have a small pin or paperclip to reach the recessed reset button. This is essential for the next step. You now perform the actual reset sequence. Press and hold the recessed reset button with your pin while the base station remains unplugged. After holding for about 10 to 15 seconds, keep holding and reconnect the power cable. This signals the unit to enter factory reset mode. Release the button once the LED pattern changes or blinks irregularly. That indicates success. Then, let the base station sit for 1 to 2 minutes so internal systems and firmware can reinitialize properly. You finish by redocking the headset to re-establish the wireless link. Watch the LEDs for solid pairing signals. If the headset does not pair, make sure the USB cable and port are good, swap them if needed, and perform a full power cycle on both base and console. If problems persist, reset the headset battery by holding its power button for about 15 seconds to clear its state. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent pairing often means.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.